Here no movement, yeah. Here should be. His dynamo jump forward and spin. So it should be. Like this, yeah. -1 to min. Plus to plus, yes. Yeah, solenoid. We use one cable. This is connected min. Battery to battery directly. This plus to direct battery. Then this one. Stay us. Paste. Well. Here no movement, yeah. Here should be. His dynamo jump forward and spin when. This cable is connected. Well, this is not there. This means the problem is on. Dynamo, yes, that experience traffic or heavy. Okay. Well, after. Make improvements. Servicing the inside here. Check in the solenoid section and also the part in the charcoal. It turns out the charcoal is still good and the solenoid stuck yet. After repair, well, this is the same way of checking. Min to min, plus to plus, yes. Then this part of the solenoid, this nice one. Straight ahead and spin ya when. This cable is connected. Okay, now we try. So it should be. Okay, that's enough. Thank you.